Still, there are mishaps.
All right.
God. Yes. Oh!
The peel out is one of the worst falls we see in parkour. This is because it often puts a practitioner in one of the most complicated falling scenarios, falling towards their head, neck, and spine with difficulty spotting the ground. Also, swinging usually means you're at a dangerous falling height of head level or higher. In this video, we'll cover 3 layers to help you avoid and/or react to peel outs, as well as safely teach others. Number 1, basic awareness of some things that cause peel outs. Number 2, preempting a probable peel out. And number 3, the parkour ukemi, or falling techniques, as a last line of defense if nothing else works. Be aware of sweaty hands and fatigued grip. Chalking up, putting a little bit of dirt on your hands, and other substitutes can decrease the chances of peel out. Also, you can dry sweaty hands on your clothes. Keep in mind, the larger the diameter of the bar or tree branch, the higher the probability of peel outs. This is because you're able to wrap more of your hand around smaller circumferences, which I wouldn't know anything about. Be aware of slick surfaces and make sure what you're swinging on is stable and won't break. And if you're training on some sort of scaffolding, make sure the bar won't rotate. This can cause one of the nastier versions of the peel out. Let's cover the overhang ledge problem. Depending on the width of the ledge, there are greater chances of peel out. This is partly due to the geometry of your hand and wrist. If the length of your palm and your fingers, depending on how you grab the ledge, doesn't put your wrist at the bottom edge, this can create a pivot point on the forearm, and with a lot of forward momentum, this can peel your grip off the top ledge. Whereas if your wrists are at or below the bottom edge, it allows your forearms to swing under without stripping your grip. If you find an overhang ledge that is wider than preferable, you can still do some things to keep a positive grip on the ledge. Number 1, alter your trajectory so that you're coming down onto it rather than grabbing it with a lot of forward momentum. Number 2, keep your forearms vertical and bend at the hips and shoulders so that your leg and body swing can absorb most of the forward momentum. And lastly, be aware that the more rounded the edge, the harder it is to hold on to. Be aware of grip shock that can come from particular trajectories and poorly timed slack in the arms. Grip shock is a sudden force on the grip that can cause a quick peel out as opposed to a gradual loss of grip. Let's look at some of the common causes. Landing with bent arms can cause slack that can cause grip shock if you don't have the strength to absorb all the impact. If your hips are not on the correct trajectory path, this can also cause extra force on the grip. In order to avoid grip shock, you should be landing into your backswing position that will efficiently transfer your momentum into the swing. Unless, of course, you have the strength to absorb and you're not looking to connect it into another swing. Knowing all these causes will surely mitigate the peel out for you, but because this is unavoidable, you'll still need to know how to abort your swing, and you'll need to have some Ukemi techniques on lockdown just in case you peel out. We'll go over all this in the next 2 videos. Look out for part 2 of this video series coming out tomorrow, where we'll explore preempting the peel out. For other free content and online courses, head over to parkouredu.org. If you know someone who can benefit from this information, tag their name and share the video. And lastly, have you had a gnarly peel out? How did it turn out? What did you learn from it? Let us know in the comments below. We hope this information benefits your training. Thanks for watching.